CapCut is a video editing app made available only on smartphones. Previously, CapCut has released a new method for editing videos through the website. And now, CapCut can be installed on a PC or laptop. To download the installer, just visit www.capcut.com. At the time of recording this video, CapCut can only be used via Windows. The file size is about 341 megabytes. If it's downloaded, we can immediately install it. When I just installed it, there was a notification that CapCut had the latest version. To be more up to date, so I will upgrade first. It's a good idea to log in first using a Facebook or Google account. Currently I have logged in using a Facebook account. At first, CapCut wanted to know what project this application would be made for. If you are not sure, we can click Skip. After selecting Start Creating, the CapCut interface will appear before starting to edit. On the left menu, there are media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, filters, and adjustments. On the right, there are project details, starting from setting the name, where to save the project, and others. To make it easier when editing, CapCut also provides shortcuts. To insert footage, click Import. Then select the video file you want to put in. In the media panel, we can determine where the clip will be inserted into the timeline. After that, just drag and drop the footage file into the timeline. From the bottom part of the preview screen, we can change the ratio. When the clip in the timeline is selected, the Effect Control panel on the right side will appear from the basic options. We can adjust the scale, blend mode, and opacity. There are also speed, animation, mask, and enhance settings. Some of the features in the PC version of CapCut are similar to the mobile version of CapCut. For desktops with low specs like my laptop, just enable the proxy section of project settings. From the timeline, we can also trim a clip, split it into 2 clips, or want to delete it. If you want to cancel making changes, just select the redo icon, or you can use the Ctrl-Z shortcut. If you want to speed up or slow down the duration of a clip, just use the speed feature. To add footage to the project, click the Import section again. Then drag and drop to the timeline. To add a transition to a clip change, select the Transitions feature on the left side of the screen. From here, we just need to choose the one we need. Transitions and animations options are available, exactly the same as the version on the mobile. For manual coloring, we can adjust the color gradation by adding a custom adjustment. For ending of the video, I'm going to use the fade out effect. To enlarge or reduce the timeline view, we can adjust it via the slide at the bottom of the Details settings. If you want to enter text, select Text from the menu section at the top left. Then click Default Text. Type the word you want to enter. From this panel, we can choose the font type, set the text color, font style, and also the animation in or out. If you want to add sound, enter it through the Import section. Then drag and drop into the timeline. To add a fade effect, set it via Fade in and Fade out. In addition, we can also add filter that have been provided. When you're done editing, we can export the project. To remove the watermark, we are required to log in. That's how to install and use CapCut from desktop. That's all for the tutorial. And thanks for watching.